Silicone sponges. The Lubrima Silicone Sponges Kitchen offer an innovative solution for everyday dishwashing needs, combining functionality with eco-friendliness. Crafted from durable silicone, these sponges are designed to effectively scrub dishes, pots, pans, and even delicate kitchen gadgets without scratching their surfaces. One of the standout features of these sponges is their non-scratch quality, making them ideal for a variety of cookware materials, including non-stick finishes. Users will appreciate how they maintain their integrity after numerous uses, providing long-lasting performance that traditional sponges often lack. This durability is complemented by the sponge's eco-friendly construction, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Available in a vibrant selection of colors, red, white, and blue, these sponges not only serve a practical purpose, but also add a touch of personality to your kitchen tools. Each sponge measures 9 inches in length and 5 inches in width, making them easy to handle and maneuver for all types of cleaning tasks. Weighing just 1.02 ounces, they are lightweight yet effective, ensuring that you can clean effortlessly.